In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Google Play Store on your PC or laptop on Windows 11. So if you're someone that, for whatever reason, would like to access the content and apps on the Google Store, following these steps will get you there quickly. Now, the first thing we need to do is open up your preferred browser and type in BlueStacks. Once here, you want to click the top option, which should be bluestacks.com. On the homepage, just hover over download BlueStacks and give that a click. And then once it's downloaded in the top right, you will be able to click the installer. And as usual, just make sure that you agree and install the application. Essentially, what this application does is you can mimic that your computer or laptop is a mobile device. Typically, people use BlueStacks to download games if they want to play mobile games on their PC, but you can use it for any application that you wish. Once it's installed, you'll be greeted with this page. What we need to do is on the top bar, look for this little home button and press that. From here, click System Apps. And then as you can see, we have a section for the Play Store. So all you need to do is click that, and then you will be able to sign in with your credentials. Obviously, if you don't have a Google account already, create one, but likely that you have one, so just input it here. And then you'll have access to the Google Play Store.